Welcome to Compare to Win. The best luxury lounger is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to elevate their relaxation game, offering a unique blend of comfort, style, and ergonomic support that transforms any living space into a personal sanctuary. Imagine sinking into plush cushioning after a long day, with a design that not only feels incredible but also serves as a stunning centerpiece, reflecting your impeccable taste and commitment to a life well lived. This isn't just furniture, it's an investment in your well-being and a statement piece that speaks volumes about your appreciation for the finer things. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin ruining your look? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin beautifully matte and shine-free. Keep your makeup looking fresh without any touch-ups. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Whether you're at home or out and about, achieve a flawless complexion anytime. Simply roll it over clean skin to mattify instantly. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This reusable facial roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a sustainable way to control shine. Its portable design makes it perfect for your purse. Plus, it's washable for easy cleaning and can be refilled with our convenient refill packs. Discover the secret to quick and effective shine control. This tool is designed for fast, easy application and long-lasting mattifying results. What we like? Tired of midday shine ruining your look? This volcanic stone roller instantly mattifies your skin, absorbing excess oil without disturbing your makeup. If you're always on the go and need a quick touch-up, or simply want to maintain a fresh, shine-free complexion throughout the day, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. It's compact, portable, reusable, and washable, an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for shine control. Works wonders in removing all the oil from my face. It can be used several times and simply needs to be washed with soap and running water when I feel like it no longer works. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your wellness with insights for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions about your future family's health. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your personalized reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey. Explore your unique genetic makeup from the comfort of your home. What we like? Curious about your health predispositions and family origins? This DNA test kit provides over 100 personalized genetic insights, including FDA-authorized health reports and a comprehensive ancestry service. If you're looking to take a proactive approach to your well-being or want to explore your heritage, this is an excellent choice for gaining a deeper understanding of yourself. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. For developing an ancestry tree, Ancestry.com is much better if you sign up separately for Ancestry subscription search service. When you log on to your 23andMe account, there was a chromosome timeline with each step. There's approximately 9 steps, clearly defined, and the first step was having the package scanned at a mailing facility, so tube number is associated with the tracking number. Number 3. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles? Our advanced formula is designed to revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. Combat the signs of aging and reduce the appearance of under-eye bags. Experience a smoother, more youthful look with consistent use. Even the most sensitive skin can benefit from deep hydration. This cream is formulated to be gentle yet effective, improving dryness without irritation. See a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It's crafted with care to deliver the results you desire. Proudly made in the USA, our eye cream is a testament to quality and efficacy. Trust in a product that's made with your skin in mind. What we like. Struggling with tired-looking eyes? This under-eye cream is formulated to combat dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles, while also improving dryness. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for an effective anti-aging solution to revitalize your under-eye area, this product is designed to deliver noticeable results. What people say. The book is a fascinating exploration of the life of a man who lived a life of pleasure and indulgence. The author provides a detailed account of the historical context, making the narrative engaging and informative. The writing style is rich and evocative, bringing the era and its characters to life. Number 2. LEGO Ideas Grand Piano 21323. Introducing a truly unique building experience. This isn't just a model, it's a playable grand piano designed for adults. It's the first LEGO Ideas set with integrated powered-up components. Control it with the LEGO Powered Up app and enjoy 14 different songs. Discover the intricate details, including 25 moving keys with realistic hammer action. You can even open the fallboard and adjust the pedals. The adjustable music stand is perfect for your smartphone, allowing you to choose and play your favorite tunes. Raise the lid and immerse yourself in music. Admire the authentic details, like the removable keyboard and functional pedals. It also comes with an adjustable piano stool and wheels for easy placement. What we like. Are you a music lover looking for a unique and engaging building experience? This LEGO Ideas set features a playable grand piano with motorized functions, allowing you to select and play songs. If you enjoy intricate models, appreciate authentic details, and want a stunning piece of home decor that also offers interactive enjoyment, this is the ultimate gift. What people say. It was an easy build that was very relaxing and enjoyable. And yes, it worked great and there were no missing pieces. Easy to connect to the app and start. The keys, dampers, and pedals move as the song plays. It is beautiful in design and satisfying to put together. I would recommend it to anyone who enjoys small projects or loves Legos. Also, even though I'm only about halfway through, I've already been able to connect to the app and test out the piano play feature. Super cool. Looking forward to seeing it fully together and watching the keys move. It actually plays. It is a great showpiece. Number 1. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, a potent blend designed to revitalize your complexion. It works to reveal a brighter, more youthful appearance. Combat the visible signs of aging with this advanced formula. It effectively targets fine lines and wrinkles, promoting smoother, firmer-looking skin. See a noticeable reduction in the appearance of dark spots. This serum helps to even out skin tone for a clearer, more luminous complexion. Experience deep hydration thanks to the inclusion of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It nourishes your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Gentle yet effective, this serum is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy its benefits regardless of your skin's unique needs. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for visibly improved skin. Achieve a healthier, more radiant look with consistent use. What we like. Want to achieve a more radiant and youthful complexion? This vitamin C serum is packed with antioxidants to improve the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, while also providing essential hydration. If you're seeking a powerful yet gentle formula to brighten and rejuvenate your skin, this serum is an excellent addition to any skincare routine. What people say. This book is a fascinating and detailed account of the life of a prominent figure, offering deep insights into their experiences and the historical context. The author's research is extensive, providing a comprehensive and well-documented narrative that brings the subject's life to vivid detail. Readers will appreciate the intricate exploration of the subject's personal journey and the societal influences that shaped their life and decisions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.